Hello, kids. How are you all? Hope all are fine at home. Now, let us continue the chapter Plants Increasing the Number. In previous class, we have discussed about dispersal of seeds, agents of dispersal, crops and vegetables. Dispersal of seed. The process of scattering of seeds or fruits away from the parent plant is called dispersal. Agents such as wind, water, animals, and by explosion of fruits. Crops. India has two main types of crops, rabi crop and kharif crop. So, in this class, we shall study about new plants from other parts of plant. How do farmers grow good and healthy crops? Production of crops and storage of seeds. First, we shall discuss about new plants from other parts of plant. Beside growing from seeds, new plants also grow from certain other parts. Which are the other parts of plant? They are root, stem and leaves. So, with the help of these parts, we can grow a new plant. For example, plants such as rose, sugarcane and hibiscus grow from stem cutting. Stem cutting is a piece of a plant stem or branch, including at least one node used in propagation. Next, the potato is a stem that grows underground and has buds called eyes. Usually, in a plant, stem part is seen above the ground, but in potato, it is seen underground. Any part of a potato that has bud on it can grow into a new plant. Onion and ginger are also underground stem from which new plant can grow. You can see the picture of onion as well as ginger. Next, sweet potato and carrots are examples of plants whose roots can grow into new plant. With the help of root of these plants, we can grow a new plant. Next, the leaves of a plant such as bryophyllum can grow into new plant. In bryophyllum plant, a new plant can be grown with the help of leaf. So these all are examples of a plant from which new plant can be grown with the help of root, stem and leaves. Now we shall see how do farmers grow good and healthy crops. For a good and healthy crops, farmers know about the soil, climate and season for growing it. First they plow and prepare the soil. Plow. It is a farm tool for loosening or turning the soil before sowing seed. They choose healthy and ripe seeds for sowing. They add manure or fertilizer to the soil. Manure is added to soil to increase production. However, overuse of chemical fertilizer can be harmful for the soil as well as crops. Next, they irrigate the soil. Irrigation means supply of water to land or crops to help growth. Next, protection of crops and storage of seeds. Farmers protect the crop against grazing animals like cows and goats. This is done by proper fencing. Fencing is a barrier typically of wood or wire. Farmers use pesticides. These are the chemicals that are sprayed on crops. If sprayed properly, they protect the crop from being destroyed by pests. When the grains are ripe, the crops are harvested and stored. After harvesting, grains need to be protected against moisture. They have to be kept safe from rats, moles, birds, squirrels, and insects. So, they must be stored in airtight and sealed container. Plants, like other living things, they also need love and care. Under favorable condition, they grow well. A good crop adds to the wealth of a country. Thank you.